At Sell Us Your Car, we aim to make this experience as smooth and lucrative as possible for you. Here's how our junk car buying operation works. 1. Determine if your car is truly junk. Firstly, establish whether your vehicle qualifies as a junk car. A junk car generally refers to a car that costs more to repair than its market value or a car that's no longer safe to drive. Old, damaged, totaled, or simply unwanted vehicles all qualify. 2. Gather the necessary paperwork. Most junkyards, including Sell Us Your Car, require certain documentation before we can buy your vehicle. Namely, we need the title or proof of ownership and a valid ID. 3. Get a quote before committing to any transaction. You can visit our website to fill out a form describing the condition of your vehicle, and we'll provide an instant estimate. Or give us a call. We're always happy to discuss and provide a rough estimate based on your car's description. 4. Free towing. One of the perks of selling your junk car to Sell Us Your Car is our complimentary towing service. Once a deal is agreed upon, we can schedule a time that's convenient for you to pick up the vehicle, often on the same or next day. 5. Receive payment. Upon collecting the car, we'll finalize any last-minute details and hand over your payment. Most junkyards, including us, prefer to pay in cash, so you won't have to wait for checks to clear or deal with electronic transfers. 6. Vehicle recycling and part salvaging. Once we have your junk car, the recycling process begins. Useful parts, whether mechanical or cosmetic, are removed and stored for resale. Plus, metal components and batteries are recycled. 7. Notify the DMV and cancel insurance once the sale is complete. 8. Spend your cash. Now that you've successfully sold your junk car, it's time to use your money as you see fit. Whether you save, invest, or use it for a down payment on a new vehicle, that's up to you.